Knowing exactly who and what is on your home network is essential for both security and speed. Whether you're hunting down a bandwidth hog or just making sure your neighbors aren't piggybacking on your signal, is the fastest way to see every connected device on your Xfinity network. So you can do this in the following ways. First one, and the most efficient, is through the Xfinity app on your smartphone. You just open the app and sign in with your Xfinity ID. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the Wi-Fi icon or the Connect tab at the bottom of the screen. This is the central hub for all your home networking data. And then inside the Connect tab, select View Wi-Fi Equipment, and then click on Devices. Here, you will see a real-time list of every device currently linked to your Xfinity gateway. The app conveniently separates them into online and offline categories so you can see what's active right now. And then if you see a generic name like unknown or just a string of numbers, click on it to see device details. You can often identify a device by looking at its MAC address or the manufacturer listed in the technical info. Once you know what that is, you can, for example, see your smart fridge or guest's phone. Just click Edit to give it a custom nickname so you recognize it later. And while you're looking at a specific device, take note of the signal strength indicator. If a device shows a weak connection, it might be too far from your router. And in this year, the app also shows you real-time data usage for each device, making it easy to spot if a console is downloading a massive update and slowing down your Netflix stream. And if you see a device that shouldn't be there, don't panic. You can instantly hit the pause device button to cut its internet access. For a permanent solution, you should use the app to change your Wi-Fi password, which will force every device to log out. And this is how you take full control of your home network and keep your speeds lightning fast. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're always the master of your tech, and stick around for more. See you soon.